I'm just simply a big believer that if you want to create a thriving organization, you've got to build a values driven culture. This isn't just about having a set of values written on a wall or your website, by the way. The amount of meetings that I've been in and been like, what should our 5 core values be? And like, just people start slapping stuff out.
That'll get it done.
Like, live them, breathe them, let them guide every decision, every action, every conversation. Like, if you throw those bullshit 5 words on your website and you're not living them, breathing them, letting them guide every decision, every action, every conversation, take them down. Just take them down. If your team, your employees can't do the same, take them down. Rebuild. Start over. You, though, as a leader, is where it starts.